Dollar Tree Cuticle Oil, Sally Hansen Cuticle Oil. Which one's better? I guess we're just gonna have to find out. Why don't we take a look at the Sally Hansen one first?
The Sally Hansen Cuticle Oil ranges around $5 and it comes in a 13.3 milliliter bottle, and it does not have a smell. It's pretty much odorless. It's a kind of a little bit of a thicker oil. I wouldn't say super thick or anything like that, not thick as olive oil. So let's go ahead and apply it to my nails. So I put one drop towards the cuticle of my nails, hence the name cuticle oil, but I'm guessing you just rub it into your whole hand too. I mean, it's just an oil. And I went ahead and rubbed it into there, and after 5 minutes it was pretty much soaked in. It was very nice. So why don't we go ahead and look at the Sassy Plus Chic Cuticle Oil now. The Sassy Plus Chic Cuticle Oil comes in a 13.3 milliliter bottle, same as Sally Hansen. The consistency is a little thinner than the Sally Hansen one, and it does kind of have a smell. Now, I don't think it's a bad smell. It did not bother me. It's kind of a sweet smell. I went ahead and applied it to my cuticles, and it took about 5 minutes to soak in, just like the Sally Hansen one, and it did moisturize my cuticles. One of the things that I've noticed in the ingredients is for the Sally Hansen Cuticle Oil that it has a paraben in it, which is not good because parabens are cancer causing. And the Sassy Plus Chic, if you read the ingredients, it does not have any parabens in it, so that is great.
So after using both cuticle oils, I would say that this Sally Hansen one probably outperforms the Dollar Tree one just because of its better quality, but it's $5 and this one's $1 at Dollar Tree, and in some stores $1.25. Like, that's a big price difference. On the Sally Hansen end, it does have a paraben in it, which is cancer causing. So if I was gonna pick the winner, it would be the Dollar Tree one just because it doesn't have the paraben in it like this. And it still works good to moisturize your cuticles.